Welcome to this tour of 3D Digital Backbone Blender Driver. Let's start with the installation. The add-on is compatible with Blender from 4.3 to 4.5. Download the zip file from the official Lumascape website. In Blender, go to Edit, then Preferences. Click on Install from Disk. Choose the downloaded file and click Install from Disk. Then activate the add-on. Here's what the add-on looks like. Now let's begin by opening a 3D model, a blend file. Then I'm going to open the add-on and explain how it works. As you can see, the add-on consists of 4 different fields. To begin with, let's choose the database location and the digital backbone database name. Let's say I choose Rory for the first username and save changes in the digital backbone database. An action is added to the history panel. I also add a label name to identify the changes I'm going to make. Then, I apply the changes to the Robotaxi model, choosing the rims configuration I want, and save it to the digital backbone database again. You may notice that a second action is added to the Actions panel. Now, I'm going to change the label name because I'll replace the Robotaxi model's rims with new ones, like this, and save the changes to the digital backbone database. A new action is added. Now I can switch between actions to explore different rim configurations. I can easily go back to any of them by selecting the action in the Action History panel. Next, let's explore a collaborative session scenario with Rory and Amy, 2 users who will each modify the model. Rory, on the left of the screen, add a new label titled Charging Station and add it next to the Robotaxi model, like this. Then, Rory saves his change to the digital backbone database. On the right of the screen, Amy changed the Robotaxi paint color. She title a new label. In this case, it will be Color, and choose the blue color in the palette. Amy saves her changes to the digital backbone. Then, she synchronizes her changes with the digital backbone database. The charging station added earlier by Rory is now visible in the Amy's Blender instance. Let's sync Rory's model to apply the blue paint color from Amy's changes. Collaboration done. Thank you for watching this tour of the 3D Digital Backbone Blender Driver. Scan this QR code to download it.